With the Zugo battery kit, you get the Zugo battery, mounting bracket, 2 screws, and zip ties. With the mounting bracket, we'll mount it on the down tube. We'll be using the top and the bottom hole. Now for the wiring harness, you run it along the top of the frame. You want to make sure that you avoid the tire. So you use the zip tie in 5 places. First one will be here, second one here, third in this corner, fourth here, and the fifth one will be up here. Now under the front of the seat, you'll see a yellow plug like this. This is the battery to controller. Go ahead and disconnect that. And your new battery kit will come with ends for both sides. So all you can do is just plug it where it goes. Make sure the battery's in the off position and go ahead and plug it in. Push it down and you'll be able to turn the key to lock it. We don't recommend running both batteries at the same time. So what you could do is turn off the stock battery by flipping the switch here. Up will be off, down will be on. Same with the Zugo battery. So right now the stock battery is off. We'll turn this on. And you're good to go.